sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going.
Hey y'all, what's up? Thanks for coming to check out another video. So today is a wig review from a brand that I've never worked with before. So this hair is from Ayiyi Hair. So thank you so much, Ayiyi, for sending over this hair. The unit that I have for you guys today is a 22-inch water wave unit, and it is highlighted in a 4 and a 27. And I love this color combination. This hair is so pretty. I love that the wig also comes with an elastic band already attached. And the hairline does come slightly pre-plucked. It was pre-plucked enough for me, so I didn't pluck it anymore because that was perfect for me. And usually when I have blonde wigs, I don't need to do too much anyway because it kind of just blends better anyway. So this is what the hairline is looking like once the hair is washed, co-washed, and air dried. I did wash the unit. I would highly suggest washing your units, especially your curly ones, first. They just come out really much nicer and just easier to manage when you do that. So I was just testing it out and seeing how, the hairline was looking for me, and I liked it, so I didn't do any more customization on it. I grabbed a natural color cap, and I grabbed my She Is Bomb lace putty. I did see another YouTuber review this. I can't remember her name, but I will put it in the comments down below. So this putty is really nice. Instead of using the spray, which kind of drips and leaves a lot of like residue that you have to clean up, I tried this putty to see if it would be better, and I definitely like that it's like stickier and easier to manage. It's easier to put it where you want it and not have too much and get too messy. So do I like it better than adhesive spray? I don't know, jury's still out. It's my first time using it, but I definitely did like it for this application. I did use my mini fan. This is from Amazon, and I'll link it down in the description box and in the comments. So I didn't tint the lace, which I kind of regretted afterwards, but honestly, you guys, I totally forgot. And with makeup, it was fine, but yeah, I just totally forgot. I kind of zoned out when I was doing this review. So I went ahead and placed the wig where I wanted it. And, I just waited for the lace putty to kind of get like partially dry, but I still wanted it to be tacky. So I went ahead and placed the wig down. I used a rat tail comb to press in the lace into the lace putty and to kind of start getting the hair to, the lace to adhere to where I wanted it to be. So when I was editing this, I didn't want to cut out too much of this part of the process. You do have to use patience with this. It does take time to go ahead and lay the lace down properly. So I didn't want to cut too much out of the process, just so you kind of can get an idea of how much time you need to use. And then I went ahead and grabbed the little mini fan again to go ahead and dry the wig down the rest of the way. I cut off some of the lace, and then I went ahead and just used an elastic band to help melt the rest of the lace in. So now it's time to go ahead and work with the curls. I use my water bottle. This spray bottle is one of those misters. You can get that off of Amazon as well, and I'll leave links down below for that. I just used my spray bottle to wet the hair. Like I said, I had already washed the hair, but I did want to make the curls pop with a little bit of Nairobi mousse. I went ahead and put that all over the hair, and I grabbed my Denman brush to go ahead and make the curls pop. But first I did like some finger combing and just, work the product through with my fingers first. So to further work the product through, I grabbed my dimming brush. This brush is great for clumping the curls together and making them pop, but you don't want them to clump too much together. You kind of want them to separate as well. So I use the dimming brush for that. And then I use my fingers just to do some finger coiling so that the ends of the hair will really get those nice, like juicy coils that really look so beautiful in this type of curly hair. So you're going to want to do, you know, a few finger coils. Just pull out some sections and finger coil the ends so that it just gives it that really, really nice curly Q look. So now while I'm waiting for the curls to air dry, I'm just going to cut off the excess lace. So the lace putty worked well, but I just wanted to use a little more adhesive for that one area. So I added the Ebin Lace Tint Spray, and then I added a little more of the lace putty, and that seemed to work well for to make my sideburn area stick. I grabbed a little bit more of the lace putty for the lace that was not already like stuck down, because I just wanted all the lace to be fully stuck down. So I just grabbed a little bit of that lace putty and just rubbed it on the edge of the lace wig so that it could kind of just be fully stuck. And since the other sideburn area started lifting, I just wanted to be extra cautious with that sideburn area, so I went ahead and added a little bit more. I did my makeup off camera, and I know you can see a bit of a halo, but you guys have to understand, like, as YouTubers, we're under these really bright lights. So the lighting really does pick up the lace for some reason, but I promise you, in natural lighting, you cannot see this lace. This lace was blending perfectly, but this bright ring light that's sitting directly in front of my face, it just picks up the lace in a weird way. So sometimes it draws more attention to lace than necessary. We'll be moving soon. I can't wait till we move so I can do more videos in natural lighting, because the ring light is just very, very harsh lighting, and it doesn't like show what the hair looks like in real lighting. So soon enough, hopefully you guys will be able to see some natural light videos from me. Say all that to say, this hair is absolutely stunning. I'm so happy with the way it came out. It's been so long since I've had a blonde wig. I'm so happy with this one. The lace, the curls, the coloring, everything is beautiful. Kudos to Ayiyi Hair. I definitely highly recommend it. I've been wearing this wig for almost a week, maybe a little more than a week, and it's just as beautiful as the first day. I will leave links down below so you guys can check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and share this video. Share with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.